in order to make sure that you finish the liner very finely in the beginning of or in the inner corner of the liner, in order to do that, what I always suggest is to make sure that that happens. You see, when you tattoo, that happens too, so don't get too discouraged. You're doing everything correctly. It's just the way the needle hits the skin, so don't worry. What you do, you go slowly, and then you take the needle out very slowly right there. What else you can do is you can angle the machine a little bit, so now only one of the needles will hit the skin mostly. So then you go, and then you lift. Then you can go, back and forth, and then at the very end, you give this a beautiful, smooth lift. And not just on how I do it slowly. So try not to do it too quickly because it's not going to work. Let's check that out. So you can see that now I have a very thin, so this part has to be done multiple times, not just in one time, because the skin here is very thin, so you still have to apply a pretty little amount of pressure, like don't apply too much pressure. By layering this multiple times, you ensure that the inner part of your line is going to end very, very finely and very thin.